Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Plankton from SpongeBob. So first let's get started with the shape of the body. So on the top we're going to curve this line up and then down on the right. Coming over to the left hand side, we're going to bring this line straight down towards the bottom. And then we're going to do the same thing as we bring this line down on the right. Now from here we're going to close this off on the bottom, curving this line over and then up on the right. Now on the top for the eyebrow, we're going to curve this line across. We're going to draw in a small diagonal line that comes in. We're going to bring this line out and then back in on both sides. And then again, bringing this line out on the bottom. And then on the bottom again, just curving this line around and then back up on the right. Now for the eye, we're going to draw in an oval underneath. So we're going to curve this line all the way around and then up on the right. And now in the center, we're just going to draw in another oval for the pupil. Let's draw in their mouth now. So on both sides, we're just going to draw in a small curved line for the corner of the mouth. And now we're going to close this off in the center with a nice big curved line. Now let's draw in the antennas. So on the top, in the middle, on the right, we're going to curve this line out. And then stepping further across again, we're going to replicate that over on the left. Now from that point, we're going to bring this line all the way around and then back down on the side. Now as we move up, we're going to draw in some rectangles. So starting on the bottom, we're going to draw in a rectangle. We're going to line that up with the same height on the left-hand side and replicate that. Let's move up again, leaving in a small gap. Let's move up, leaving in a small gap again, replicating that, following the curve of the antenna. And then again, one last time as we move in towards the top. And now in each rectangle, we're just going to color that in black. So now we don't see any more lines. Now let's move down and draw in our arms. So on the inside, we're going to curve this line out. And then just drawing in a small diagonal line that comes in towards the side of the body. Moving down, we're going to curve this line out and then back in, bending the arm. For the hand, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And now lastly for the legs, on the left-hand side, just arching this line around and then up. And then we'll replicate this over on the right. And that is it. That's how you draw Plankton from SpongeBob. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.